In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a document for signing using DocuSign. Sending documents for e-signature is quick and simple, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your DocuSign account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Templates tab. This is where you'll set up your document for signing. Templates are extremely useful because they save time if you plan to send the same document more than once. On the Templates page, click Create Template. Start by giving your template a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. After that, upload the document you want signed by clicking Upload and selecting the file from your device. Make sure the document is final and correct before moving on. Next, add recipient roles. These roles define who needs to sign or fill out the document. If you're creating a reusable template, you can leave the names and email addresses blank. This allows you to reuse the same template for different recipients in the future. Now, customize the email that recipients will receive. Enter a clear subject line so they immediately understand what the document is about. You can also add a short message in the email body to explain what action is required or provide extra instructions. Once that's done, click Next to open the Fields editor. This is where you add all the required fields to the document, such as signature fields, date fields, text inputs, or checkboxes. Carefully place each field where the recipient needs to complete or sign. Taking a moment here ensures a smooth signing experience. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your template is now ready and will appear in the Templates tab. To send the document, select the template and click Use. Enter the recipient's name and email address for the specific transaction. Review all the details and then click Send. That's it. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.